friends, hello partner. Today we are in our showroom in Tiene, in Italy. Hey guys, this is magnificent what they did here. And here we are also in the same facility where the factory is located. Here 350 workers produce technology and solution for your needs, for your jobs, and I'm quite sure you also will find the right solution for your company, for your optimized workflow. Now we want to introduce you our new jewel, the Edgebander Flexa 607XA. This is really a super machine created to work on high speed and to apply melamine, edges, PVC edges, wood strips up to 50mm thickness. Company which use already this machine are extremely satisfied, and they find this machine absolutely reliable. But now let's go to take a look near the machine. Our technician deliver always a fantastic support. First of all, I see here an impressive machine, with extremely solid look. It seems an advanced machine, a reliable technology, but who is this machine created for? Which is actually its market segment? Which is the typical customer for this level? Well, we can say surely Flexa 607 is destined to advanced carpenters, to middle companies, which need a powerful, quick and reliable machine, ready to invest a little bit more money to get more productivity. If you take a look to the structure, it's already clear the sizing of all mechanical elements indicate a high reliability. Look to the transmission shaft, the steel shoulders, the sliding shoes, the pressure belt, as well as each single aggregate, which for the first sight let you understand the technical level. And now we take a look at which thickness are possible for this machine. We can process from 0.4 melamine paper up to 3mm PVC or ABS, up to 15mm solid wood strips. Here we see the loading device, where we place a package up to 195mm, and all strips are inserted automatically. And which are the aggregate the operator should adjust? No manual adjustment on this machine. There are motors everywhere on this machine. So everything is under your control from your PC. And every operation is really under control. The quality we produce today is repeatable even after months. Hey guys, this machine does not allow the operator to decide the quality. Everything is under control in your computer. One of the most popular questions we get every day is about the glue station. Many of our guests want to understand why should I use polyurethane glue and how should I change the glue pot. Actually, the polyurethane glue should be used when you need to ensure a high gluing power, for example in the bathroom furnitures. With all that humidity in those areas, polyurethane glue is recommended, as well as in the kitchen near the sink, either above the dishwasher. But we can include also a big list, furniture overseas. In those cases, without the polyurethanic glue, you could have a complaint for customer because the glue easily peels off. However, polyurethanic glue needs some important precautions. Indeed, polyurethanic glue is very aggressive. The internal walls of the glue pot are protected by Teflon. If machine stops only during the weekend, you can let the pot inside the deep freezer, covered in plastic foils, in order to skip humidity, which reduces the glue power. Only in case the stop is extended more than a week, we must wash the pot with a specific cleaner in order to protect it from the glue's aggressive chemistry. Very well. And now we have to speak about the glue station, which is one of the most sensitive elements in all this technology. At the moment, we worked with a polyurethanic glue pot, and we want to show you how to switch to the EVA situation. Now our super technical Andrea, please come in. Can you show us how to change from polyurethanic glue pot to the EVA station, there are a few simple operations. First of all, he removes the aluminum plate from the top, remove the electrical connector, and as last operation, just push the lever, a quick release lever which allow you in 10 seconds. You saw right now how long take the operation. In 10 seconds, you remove the polyurethanic glue pot, and you can now insert the EVA glue station. Please show us for a while. This is the typical glue pot for EVA glue, used together with a pre-melting unit. Push the lever, electrical connection must be inside. As you see, he just inserts the wall station in the right location. And now, at the end, only the top aluminum plate. The pneumatic connection must go in. And that's all. As you see, in less than half minute, operation is made. Very well. And now, what about our computer? This is the heart of the machine, which keeps everything under control. Let's see together. In our PC, there are already, per default, many programs in the store. We can check the glue tank temperatures, the edge thickness, the panel thickness, the speed of the equipment, and so on. We just copy and paste one of those programs to create a new one, changing all parameters necessary. And then we save. We just put in the store of our program, and that's all. We create already a new program. Hey guys, here we are on the top level. Every single group has its own frequency motor, its own controlled axis. They work with high precision of hundreds of millimeters. And when you find the perfect position the first time, you can record it in the PC channels, and you can recall them when required. So your job is repeatable with the same quality. Of course, there are some variables as knives, either the thickness edges, which can be imprecise, but the machine offers you the ideal 0 point where you can start from. And this is absolutely basic for the operation, which can modify any recorded parameters. Very well, and now we are in front of the heart of the machine. This is the milling unit. It's a real jewel, it's fantastic, it's full of steel everywhere, it's extremely solid. It could work even 24 hours a day. It has 6 axes, 2 verticals, 2 horizontal, and 2 in diagonal, which move the profile you need. And it offers 1 radius and 1 straight profile for 8mm for solid wood strips. By the way, if you need to produce more solid strips, of course, you need the top and bottom unit for 50mm, and it works continuously with strong 1 kilowatt motors each. It's wonderful. Very well, and now we speak about our corner rounders. It's a fantastic device. 4 motors, as you can see. It has a double radius and double pneumatic position, moved by computer, as usual. It's a fantastic group, full of steel everywhere. It could work even 24 hours a day without trouble. And thanks to those arms, we can work 22 meters per minute speed without any troubles at all. It is reliable during the bending process and respects the quality even on high speed. It's extremely appreciated already from customers worldwide which has this machine, and we see how the market reacts from our technology. It's wonderful. In this case, we have a scraper. Our scraper solid structure is not hanging on the bridge in 2 different groups. It has 1 unique solid structure again. And here we have double radius, the same radius we had before on the trimming unit. In this case, of course, is not rotating element, it's a fixed element. And we can in this way remove all those anti-static lines caused by vibration of the motors before. Only top quality for Casadei Busellato. Very well, guys. So I see here there are also many other interesting arguments which our customer can explore deeper with our export manager and your local technician. And now I would like to open the pressure bridge and show the pressure belt. which block the panels. Our friends will surely observe how the panels goes from the entrance of the machine till the end. Our technician Andrea now will show how it happens. Let's take a look together. Hey guys, we have a super pressure belt here. Have you seen that? These things keep the panel completely tight and does not lose it at all. You know, every aggregate is important inside the cabin, but if you don't have such a belt like that, only top quality for Casadei Busellato. And therefore, the Casadei range can be complete with many other elements. For example, the nesting kit on the trimming and scraper unit. 3 gears ensure the perfect trimming near the hinges area. The ceramic lamp to warm up panels. Anti-adhesive and finishing liquids. The grooving unit. Friends, here the engineer of Busellato made a wonderful job. They deserve a compliment. This model here enhance the caliber and the level of Busellato range higher. And I know for sure from the market, it has already a super feedback. However, without such a quality, I could not explain the constant growth of Casadei Busellato in such a competitive market. Okay guys, there are surely many questions for our export manager and for all our dealers worldwide. And don't lose the opportunity to contact them and verify the best opportunity. Thank you for staying with us, and see you soon and keep in touch. Bye!
Thank you for watching.